Welcome to another tutorial for Color Snack Sunday. Today we'll be sketching a prickly pear cactus and coloring it using Brusho. So I'm really excited about how this is going to look. So to do the prickly pear, you just start with a simple teardrop shape like that at the bottom, and then just kind of build off additional teardrop shapes like that coming from the main one. So you can start, a branch over here and then maybe add another one here, one to the side. I'm gonna do another bigger one, bigger teardrop shape here, and then one here. So you can elongate them a little bit or make them a little thicker, it's up to you. But basically you can have, a couple of branches, and you're essentially just adding these little, they kind of look like bunny ears too, so teardrops or bunny ears, whatever you like. And I think I might add one more here. Okay. So I'll be using the Mozart water brush and violet and scarlet Brusho. So I'm going to add, my brush was not clean, so I'm using this little sponge to clean it off. But that's okay, because this will be stained anyway. So even if it's a little yellow now, it'll be okay. So I'm just adding some drops of water by squeezing onto the water brush like this. So I'm using Bristol paper again. It's really great for Brusho because it's not meant for watercolors or water, so it doesn't dry as fast, it doesn't absorb the water as fast, so it's great for what we're about to do. It can warp a little bit, so you can always tape the sides down. Like I might just tape it a little bit here for now. Alright, so I'm using scarlet. I'm gonna add some here. At the top, and then violet at the bottom. And a couple more granules here. And then I'm taking the smallest water brush and I'm just going to go around the shapes a little bit just to even them out. And you can wipe it off on a sponge again so that it doesn't, acquire the color, the color that you don't want to be on there. I'm just wiping it off because the red is so strong. I actually like this red outline, it looks kind of cool. I might just tap a little bit and then add it onto the rest of the prickly pear. Teardrop shapes. So there you have it, a very simple sketch of a prickly pear cactus with Brusho powder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on those notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new and fun videos. Have a great day.